Hi, welcome back to Story Orchard, and today we will see how we can make a simple paper boat. So, first, let's grab a sheet of A4 size paper. So here we have a sheet of A4 size paper. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to take this half and fold it into this half. Make sure the tips are aligned and then nicely press down and seal it. Next, take this open end side, bring it down and have the closed side up. Then take this both sides and again fold it in two on this side. Yes. So this is the second fold. After the second fold, we again remove the fold back, and now we bring this corner over here and this corner over here to the center. And the same with this corner. Okay, good. So next what we do is there are two flaps here. Can you see? One and a second one. We take this first one and fold it like this and flip it. Take this other half and fold it to the same level. Yeah, so now on both sides we have it like this. Now what we do is we take this and we do it like that. You get a flap like this. What you do is put one flap inside the other flap. Do the same on the other side. One flap goes in on the other flap. Once this is done, take this half of the diamond and take it up. Don't take it completely. Take it a bit shorter than the actual one and fold. Now repeat the same on the other side. Yes? Okay. So now we have something that looks like this. What we do now is we are going to hold it like this and then open it up and flatten it out like this. Be sure to press well over here. Then, for the time of revealing it, we pull. When we pull, all these folds go inside. Can you see? And we get a lovely boat. Press at the bottom to get a nice firm base to get the fold in. Now, we have a beautiful, pretty, fluffy boat. Yes, this boat you can float it on water on rainy days and summer. Why not just in a bucket of water? So go ahead, try it and let me know how it goes. Bye bye, and until next time, signing off.